An airplane flying at a speed of 360 miles per hour flies from point A in the direction of 137 degrees for 30 minutes, and then flies in a direction of 270 degrees for 45 minutes. To the nearest tenth of a mile, what is the distance from the plane to point B? In order to solve this, we can look at what it means for navigation. In navigation, in order to do its bearing, it always goes from due north and rotates in a clockwise direction a total number of degrees. Therefore, if I was flying in the direction of 180, it would be represented in this manner. Therefore, 227 would be represented as that. So now I'm ready to draw my picture. I start with a point A, drawing in my north-south axes, and I'm going to go in a direction of 137. 137 is over 90 but less than 180, so it would be taking an angle such as that. I would know that 137 degrees minus 90 degrees gives us 47 degrees, which is this angle right here. If that is 47, then I can also find the missing angle, because 47 plus 90 must add, or 47 plus this angle must add up to 90. If I add 3 degrees, I'm up to 50. Adding 4 more, or 40 more, I'm at 43 degrees. Therefore, this plane travels really in a direction of south 43 degrees east. We now know that after it has gone for 30 minutes, or a total of, 360 miles per hour for half an hour, that would give us 180 miles, or half of 360. It's going to take a new bearing, and then it's going to fly at an angle of 227 from north. 227 is less than 270, so as we rotate it around, we are going to create an angle. We would know that if we went all the way to the negative x-axis or to the west axis, that would be 270. So our angle inside our triangle is 270 degrees minus 227. I would need to add 3 to this to get to 230, and then 40 more, so this would be 43 degrees. We would also recognize that I've now created 2 parallel lines, and alternate interior angles are congruent. So that must be 47. Knowing that 47 and 43 indeed make that right triangle, this guarantees that we can use right triangle trig. If the plane flew for 45 minutes at a speed of 360, then we can figure out how far the plane flew in this direction by taking 3/4 of 360. Or a distance of 270 miles. We can now figure out the distance the plane is from point A by doing Pythagorean's theorem. We know that the hypotenuse, or c squared, is equal to 180 squared plus 270 squared. Taking this into our calculator, we get approximately 324.5 miles.